CIS E-Pathshala, Grade 7, Social and Political. Our topic is equality in Indian democracy. Now, equality in Indian democracy. What do you think about equality? What is equality? See, Constitution of India guarantees equality to all citizens of India. Constitution of India guarantees equality to all the citizens of India. Despite this, the lives of people in India are not equal. Despite this, see, it is given by the Constitution that all people are equal. But you feel equality is there in at all the places. But you think equality is there at all the places. Many incidents we are seeing in our day-to-day life. See, sometimes what happens? All are standing in a line, but for something. But one person is coming, giving money, and he is going ahead. He is not standing in the line. Like that, many things happen. In court matters also happens. Then money box much more than equality. Due to money, many people can do many things like that. So you feel equality is there. The equal things are there. So now what is equality? How equality is there in democracy? All things we are going to see in this chapter. Now, what is equality? The question is there. See, we will see one story is there. According to the story, one story is there. One lady is there, Kanta. One lady is there. Her name is Kanta. See, now Kanta is a domestic worker. Kanta is a domestic worker. Domestic worker means those who are working in a house. Suppose they are taking care of child in a house. They are doing maintaining work of the house, cleaning work of the house. Such type of work they are doing. They are known as the domestic worker. So here one lady is there. Her name is Kanta. Kanta is a domestic worker, and she is working in a place, in a house. The name of the person is Mr. Jain. She is working in a house, and the name of the person is Mr. Jain. He is working in Mr. Jain's house. Now, one day the election is going on, and they all went to for casting the vote. They all went to the casting the vote. In voting, what queue is there? In line is there. In line, all the persons are standing. In a line, all the persons are saying. One person is there, teacher. One is a trader. One is a doctor. One is that like lady like Kanta. Kanta is also standing in the line. The full line is there, and in the line, the last Mr. Jain is also standing. See, Mr. Jain is also standing. So equality is there. All has to stand in the line, and one by one they are casting their vote, and they are going. Okay, now see, in this equality is there, casting the vote, all are equal in the line. Nobody is saying that the Kanta is a domestic worker, so she has to stand last. It is not like that. Those who are coming and standing in the line, one by one they have to go and they can cast the vote. But now another phase is there. You can see now Kanta is working in Mr. Jain's house. One day she sees that her daughter is not feeling well. Her daughter is not feeling well. The name of her daughter is Gudiya. So now Gudiya is not feeling well. She is having fever. But now Kanta has to go for work. So what she told to her daughter that she is bringing some of the hot tea or whatever in one glass, and she is saying, just now you drink this, you will feel little relaxed. You drink this, you feel little relaxed. After coming from my work, we will go to the doctor. After coming from my work, I will take you to the doctor. So Kanta is going in Mr. Jain's house. She is doing work there, and she is asking for advance money to Mrs. Jain. So please lend me some money in advance because I have to take my daughter to Gudiya to hospital. So Mrs. Jain is giving her money. Now in the evening time, Kanta is going to the doctor. So when she is going out of the house, what she is noticing that she is living in a slum area. Kanta is living in a slum area, and she has a drain behind her house. Drain means the drainage line. Drainage line is there behind her house. So now what she feels that because my area is not clean, there is lack of cleanliness in my area, I have to go now and then to the doctor. I have to take now and then to the doctor and for my daughter. Because of the lack of cleanliness nearby her house, her daughter is sick again and again, and she has to go to doctor. And where Mr. Jain and Mrs. Jain are staying, Mr. Jain is staying, the place is very neat and clean. So their child are healthy. Their children are healthy, and again no need to go to the doctor. Now after that, See, this is the thing. See the cleanliness regarding the things, all the place the same thing is not there. Now after this, she is going to the doctor, and there she has to stand in a line for the. We are saying that we have to take the case paper. So OPD is there, and case paper she has to stand for the line. Now again one question is coming in her mind, that see, I have to come in this government hospital, this type of hospital, then I have to stand in the line for the case and all the things. Only one person is giving the case and I have to stand in line. But Mr. Jain is going to the private clinic where immediately they are paying the money and immediately they are getting the better facility. See, now such type of things are there. See, in private hospitals also, in government hospitals also, in private school, what type of education you are getting, the same is not there in government school. Many, in facility wise also in private school, private sector, the facilities are there, some of the facilities are not there. Some all such type of things are there. So do you think that while casting the word Kanta is getting equality, but here where is the equality? So equality is a broad concept. Equality is a broad concept, and equality has many faces. Equality has many faces. We cannot say on the point of one place that it is equal or equality is there. Some of the things we have to notice properly, and how equality is there. Some other examples are there. We are going to see further also. And equality is a dynamic concept. Many dimensions are there in equality. We have to see properly what is the equality. Okay. Constitution of India guarantees equality to all citizens of India. In India, it is the constitution is given that we should see all the people equal. Equality is there for all the people. But in real life, many problems we are facing related to the equality. Many problems we are facing related to equality. Now, what we are going to see in this chapter basically is equality. It's in various forms. See, equality in its various forms. Some place you feel it is equality is there, some place you feel equality is not there. So what are the various forms of equality? Then voting, see, in voting also equality is there, and on the basis of caste, religion, etc. See, the problem of equality is there, and the problem created due to the caste, religion also related the equality. Now there is two stories of Om Prakash Valmiki and Mr. and Mrs. Jain. Mr. and Mrs. Jain. See, the story of these two persons, Mr. and Mrs. Jain is not there, Mr. and Mrs. Ansari is there. See, the story of Om Prakash Valmiki and Mr. and Mrs. Ansari is there. How they are facing problems. See, one person here, the one person is Dalit. Because of this, he is facing the problem, and here caste related thing is coming and they are facing the problem. So these things we are going to see in this chapter. Then importance of recognizing dignity. See, dignity is very important. Why we should see the person standing in front of us with a dignity. Why dignity is important, that also we have to see. And what are the, in Indian democracy, what are the things? See, midday meal scheme is there, that we are going to see. And issues of equality in other democracies. See, India is a democratic country, like that other democratic countries are there. So India is facing the issues, problems related to equality, and other countries are also facing. So what are the issues in other countries also regarding the equality? See, all want to be equal. Nobody is thinking, or nobody feels that he or she should consider low. All feel that we all are equal. Sometimes it happens in house also, somebody is saying like that, we feel that why they are not counting us equally, why they are not counting me as equally. So equality is very important, and that factor is working like anything in the democracy also, and in our daily life also. So other countries are also facing the problem of equality. In Indian democracy also, some of the things are there, issues are there. So what are those type of issues in other countries?